Okay, we've been talking about fractions, and fractions are equal parts. We've talked about a whole, we've talked about halves. Halves are 2 equal parts. We've talked about fourths, 4 equal parts. Now, we're going to talk about thirds. So thirds means 3 equal parts. I just drew a couple of shapes. I have a square. If you can see, I have 3 parts. They are all equal. 1, 2, 3. They're cut into 3 equal parts. Rectangle, 3 parts. They're equal. They're cut into thirds. And then here's a circle that's a little bit trickier. 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. They're cut into thirds. And what I did today, along with making pizza, I made some brownies. Here are my brownies. And I did try to cut them into 3 equal parts because I have 3 different colors of icing. I have a red, green, and blue. So we couldn't decide on what colors we wanted. So I made 3 different colors, and I'm going to put my green on, smooth that out, and these brownies are very, very soft. So some of the brownies are coming up on my icing. Here we go. So right now, it's very sloppy, but the kids will like it. You can see right now, it is not pointing there. There we go. So 1 out of 3 is green. And I'm going to do my red. I'm going to move this down so you can see my lovely icing. So the middle one, I'm going to do red. Or it looks pink, doesn't it? So here's my second part. So I have 1/3 is green, 1/3 is red, and then my last one is blue. So here we go. Ice that. I can't wait to eat these. And here we go. So I cut them into thirds. And how many are blue? 1 out of 3 is blue. How many is red? 1 part. 1 out of 3. So a third. And then how many is green? 1 out of 3. So that's a third also. So I am done with my brownies and I'm ready to eat them with my boys. But before we go, it is, I did talk about Earth Day. And I have some leftover stuff from when I baked today. And I have paper towel. I want to know, can we recycle this, reduce it, reuse it, or is it just trash? These are eggshells. So what do I do with these eggshells? Do I trash them? Reduce, reuse, recycle. Milk, I had milk to go with my brownies. This is plastic. What are we going to do with that? Here's my brownies that I made. Here's a box. It's like cardboard. What am I going to do with that? And if you look close enough, it actually shows you here that recycle sign. So we're going to definitely recycle it. This here was my icing. And here too, it also tells you that you can recycle it. These are trash. We're going to throw those away. And this here doesn't say anything on my milk jug, but it's plastic and I'm going to recycle that. Okay? All right. Have a good night.